Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a really important topic, nerve health. If you've ever experienced nerve pain, numbness, tingling, or just want to make sure your nerves are in top shape, this video is for you. We're going to explore how certain vitamins and nutrients can actually help repair and protect your nerves. So, let's get started. Nerve damage can be a serious issue. It can lead to pain, weakness, and loss of sensation in various parts of your body. This can make everyday activities, like walking, typing, or even holding a cup, really challenging. But here's the good news. Your body has a remarkable ability to heal itself, and with the right nutrients, you can support and even speed up the repair process. Today, we'll talk about 10 key vitamins and nutrients that play a crucial role in nerve repair and overall nerve health. These are simple, natural ways to help your body recover and keep your nerves functioning properly. Vitamin B6. Let's start with vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is essential for your brain and nerves to communicate effectively. It helps your body produce neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals from one nerve cell to another. Without enough vitamin B6, these signals can become weak or disrupted, leading to issues like numbness or pain. In addition to nerve function, vitamin B6 is also important for your body's overall energy levels and immune system. You can find vitamin B6 in a variety of foods, including chicken, turkey, fish like salmon and tuna, potatoes, bananas, and chickpeas. Including these foods in your diet can help keep your nerves healthy and responsive. Folate, vitamin B9. Next up is folate, or vitamin B9. Folate is vital for cell growth and repair, which is why it's so important for nerve health. It helps your body produce and maintain new cells, including the cells that make up your nerves. Folate is especially important for pregnant women, as it helps prevent birth defects, but it's also crucial for everyone in maintaining healthy nerve function. If you're looking to boost your intake of folate, focus on eating more leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce. Other good sources include beans, peas, lentils, and citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. Folate is also available as a supplement, often in combination with other B vitamins. Vitamin D. Now let's talk about vitamin D. Most people know vitamin D is important for bone health, but it also plays a significant role in nerve function. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, which can be crucial for repairing nerve damage. Inflammation is often a big part of nerve pain, so by reducing it, vitamin D can help relieve discomfort and support the healing process. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight. Just spending 10 to 30 minutes in the sun a few times a week can help your body produce enough vitamin D. However, if you live in a place with limited sunlight, or during the winter months, you might need to get vitamin D from foods like fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereals. You can also consider taking a vitamin D supplement, especially if you have limited sun exposure. Vitamin B12. Next, we have vitamin B12, one of the most crucial vitamins for nerve health. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of myelin, the protective coating that surrounds your nerves. Myelin helps nerve signals travel quickly and efficiently. Without enough vitamin B12, your myelin can become damaged, leading to symptoms like numbness, tingling, and even difficulty walking. Low levels of vitamin B12 are common, especially in older adults and people who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet. This is because vitamin B12 is found mainly in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. If you're not getting enough vitamin B12 from your diet, you may need to take a supplement to ensure your nerves stay healthy. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another powerful nutrient that can help protect your nerves. It's a strong antioxidant, which means it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including nerve cells, and contribute to inflammation and nerve pain. By including enough vitamin E in your diet, you can help protect your nerves from this kind of damage. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts like almonds and sunflower seeds, as well as spinach, broccoli, and other green leafy vegetables. You can also find vitamin E in vegetable oils like sunflower and safflower oil. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is a compound that has gained a lot of attention for its potential to help with nerve pain, especially in people with diabetes. ALA is both a powerful antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory, which makes it particularly effective at reducing nerve pain and promoting nerve repair. Studies have shown that ALA can help reduce symptoms like burning, pain, and numbness in people with nerve damage. You can find ALA in foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes, but it's also available as a supplement. If you're dealing with nerve pain, adding ALA to your diet might make a noticeable difference. Thiamine, vitamin B1, thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is another important vitamin for nerve health. Thiamine helps your body convert carbohydrates into energy, which is crucial for all your cells, including nerve cells. It also helps protect your nerves from damage by supporting healthy cell function. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to a condition known as beriberi, which affects the nervous system and can cause symptoms like weakness and pain in the arms and legs. To ensure you're getting enough thiamine, include foods like whole grains, pork, fish, and legumes in your diet. If you're at risk for thiamine deficiency, you may also consider taking a supplement. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their heart health benefits, but they're also crucial for brain and nerve health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support nerve repair, and promote healthy brain function. They're particularly important for protecting the myelin sheath that surrounds and insulates your nerves. You can get omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as from plant-based sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. If you don't eat fish regularly, you might consider taking an omega-3 supplement, such as fish oil or flaxseed oil. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that's involved in hundreds of processes in your body, including nerve and muscle function. Magnesium helps regulate the electrical signals that travel along your nerves, making it important for reducing nerve pain and spasms. It's also involved in energy production, which is crucial for nerve repair. If you're looking to boost your magnesium intake, focus on eating more nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard. Magnesium is also available in supplement form, but it's always best to try to get it from food sources first. Turmeric. Last but not least, let's talk about turmeric. This bright yellow spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation and pain, making it a great natural option for supporting nerve health. You can add turmeric to your meals by sprinkling it on vegetables, rice, or even in smoothies. If you prefer, you can take turmeric as a supplement. Just make sure to take it with black pepper, which helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. And there you have it, 10 vitamins and nutrients that can help repair and protect your nerves. Remember, while it's important to get these nutrients from a balanced diet, supplements can also be helpful if you're not able to get enough through food alone. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to make sure it's right for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy and feeling your best. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Take care and stay healthy.